I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive and all of its programs that it offers. So first I'm going to use Google Docs. So you go to New, Google Docs. If you slide right here, you can either do a blank document or from a template, but we're just going to do blank. It'll open up a fresh tab and bring up a Word document. First you're going to name it so that you don't get everything lost. Document 1. And everything automatically saves. So you can type like a regular Word document. You can change the fonts to anything you like. You can change the font size, bold, underline. You can insert a link, comment, anything a normal Word document offers. You can do different headings, and you can automatically update it to where it'll match the previous setting you put. You can view your document in 3 different modes. You can do an editing mode, suggesting, or just viewing for final document. When you have suggestion, you'll see all the comments on the side. And here you can add comments and you can mention others. If they're looking over your work and helping you out, you can say, is this the correct spelling? And publish a comment. And you can go to it, edit, delete it, link the comment, resolve the issue. And you can always go to your previous comment history and you'll see the whole conversation thread between you and whoever you're mentioning. You can always do that. So when you resolve it, it'll go away into the thread. Here's the big share button if you'd like to share it to anybody. Another cool thing about Word Docs is you can always see the revision history from the other comments. You just go to File, Version History, and you'll see every comment that is made, all the versions. If you make any edits or any revisions, you'll be able to show the changes and always go back to a previous version. And that's an overview of Google Docs. Now you'll exit out, go back to My Drive, and you'll see it right here on your page. Now I can show you how to use Google Sheets. You go to New, Google Sheets, and it'll open up a fresh tab. It's similar to Excel as a spreadsheet. So you're going to name it Sheet 1. And if you want to add more sheets to the same topic, you'll just press this plus button in the corner to add sheet 2. And you can see all the sheets in this area right here. So up here at the bar, you can add any formulas. You can type in all your information into these columns and have an automatic formula to resolve the problem. You can change your size. You can add comments on here too as well. And you can filter and sort how you enter your information. So you can do any situation. You can type in how much money you make per week and you can average it out by pressing average, and it'll give you the total of how much money you save per week. And you can also do other formulas. You can do the sum, max, min, and there's a lot more you can do. And this is how you can use Google Sheets. So I'm going to exit out and come back to Google Drive, and you'll see it's right here on your main page. Now I'll show you how to use Google Drawings, Google Draw. You can go to New, More, Google Drawings. It'll open up a new tab and bring you to a blank presentation screen. So here are your tools at the top. You have your mouse selected right now. You can go right here and select other things. Select a line. You can do shapes. You have shapes, arrows, callouts, equation signs. Right now we can do circle. And you can just make it however you want. You can change it. You can change the color of it. You can fill it with color. And you can add as much as you like. You just do whatever you like to it. And do more lines. You can also go here and do scribble. And this is where you can just draw however you like, freehand, and make it how you want it. We have the undo buttons right here. And you can redo it as well. You can add more. You could print it out. You can do paint format to change that up. You can insert a text box. And you can type in it. And keep that. You can add comments on here as well. You can arrange your tools, see all that, insert pictures, whatever you'd like. And that's how you do Google Drawings. So I'll exit out of here. Going back to Google Drive, you'll see it back on your main page. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use Google Slides. So you go to New, Google Slides. It'll open a new tab and bring you to a presentation. It's just like PowerPoint. You can pick your theme right here, whatever style you like, or you can make it your own. You can name it up here. So one. You can add your screen title, like a normal PowerPoint. You can add more slides right here. The redo, undo button. Do text boxes, insert images, shapes, lines, just like the drawings had. You can do different layouts, change your background, add your information on other slides, speaker notes if you'd like. You can do the grid view if you want a different view. Cool thing about the presentation, you can do transition effects. So you can go to transitions. You can do any one of these. You can do cube apply to all slides. And once you view it, and you can view it by pressing present at the top, start presentation, and it will do your transitions on each slide. You can have viewing settings at the bottom. You can go back to different settings, different slides. You can have audience tools. You have this pointer you can use if you're presenting. You can do open your speaker notes, and then that's how you exit. And that is how you use Google Slides. So now I'm going to exit out and go back to Google Drive. And I'm going to show you how to use the last program, Google Forms. Go to New, More, Google Forms, and it will bring it to you. This is where you can do surveys, questionnaires, and other things you like. So you're going to name your survey. I'll just do a school survey. And then just where you can type your question. So I'm going to do, how many hours do you study a week? Question mark. You can edit the way people answer right here. You can do multiple choice, check boxes, drop down. They have short answer, paragraph, but I'm going to select multiple choice. Here's where you can do your options. So I'll do 2 hours, 15 hours, 7 hours, less than 2. And you can keep going with your options, but I'm just going to keep it at that. You can make more questions if you want to add some more questions. You can manage the responses. You can see all your responses. You can accept them. You can create a spreadsheet for your answers to view your data. If you go to the top, you can edit the theme, customize your color, background color, anything you'd like. You can go to preview of what it looked like answering your own survey. So you can do that, submit, and I just answered it. And this is how it looks whenever people start answering it. You can do it by individual, you can do summary, and see the answers. You can go to settings, you can get all your respondents, see what they can do if they want to edit after. You can see how they present it. You can make it as a quiz. You can get a link and you can just send it to people if you want to send your survey. And that's how you use Google Forms.